You must not play with other people's things.
Look at this massive mess. Turn that water off.
Oh no, what happened here?
I'm sorry, I'll clean it up. Toys do not go in the toilet.
Sorry, I will clean it up. I'm really sorry I broke the television. I'm really sorry I broke the television.
You must be more careful.
Behold, I am the king of this castle. This is haute couture. I am the master of style. Do you like my new style? I'll fix it. I'm making food. I did it! I'm an expert.
Let's use it carefully next time, okay?
I will not play with switches again.
Plants need careful attention, sweetie. It is okay. Just help me clean it up. Come here, please.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Clean it up, okay?
So then I told him we should just buy it.
Wait, where are the batteries?
Wait, where are the batteries?
You shouldn't hide things, okay?
Fear not, for I am the Golden Knight!
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. You must never play with swords near the television.
I'm sorry, I'll fix it. I'm sorry.
Remember, toys do not go in the toilet.
Remember, toys do not go in the toilet.
They belong in the toy box. You see, it makes him sad. We must always be kind to him. It's not nice to hide his things.
I'm sorry, Kitty.
You see, hiding his toy makes him very confused.
I am sorry, buddy.